Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how much significant is a correct illustration of a company's chart in your mind due to the reason that the difference in percentage that actually somebody can exploit it absolutely depends on an entry price timing. The company that we are going to analyze today is Momo, which belongs in Nasdaq Composite Index. Let's start and observe Momo's price some previous years ago. As you can see, right now, a good investor, good trader can notice that we have a good potential for a downtrend because here you can see that we have a good downtrend flag and the price is absolutely at these levels. So the price came here and right now it has some consolidation and if we will have a good breakdown here, we can absolutely exploit that we can have a decrease for about 23%. For example, right now we're going to open a position at 6.62 price. And absolutely this price is must and this option can have a good potential, can have a good increases, good profits. But right now there are some investors who actually have some intentions to go back and again this price because this price has already fallen much percentage down, and this is much different minding. It's absolutely not correct and not keep in your mind something like that because take into consideration that all of this based on analysis, technical or fundamental, whatever it can be. So my first advice here is don't get too attached at the company's price or indices or crypto price to get again into and to do to seeking for some chances that actually in real life they are not exist. Okay, just we can go on the days and we can see that here there's something interesting here. Some people, some investors can believe that they can imagine that they have a good consolidation at this price and we can check it better. It will draw a line and take the percentage here and we can see that we have a good consolidation at this price, okay, at this area. As you can see, the price was already broken here and break this price $6.30 and go up about the percentage of 40%. Yeah, it's high. It's very high percentage for somebody to take these profits. But okay, Momo's price, Momo company, it has the market cap of Momos is much lower from others in this area, in this market. So the volatility is high. But okay, anyway, the 40%, it equals 40%. Okay, but because all of this I told you that if somebody can notice the consolidations here, he can actually take this increase about 40%. But if you can see, can you illustrate it better? You can think that we have here a good triangle. A good triangle we have which due to that we have a good potential to an uptrend. So the people who actually could like to open the position here, they can have about 90% increase. So if somebody can imagine, can illustrate, have more knowledge about this is much helpful for investor, for trader, because he can take some more increases, some profits, which can help him in the future investors and traders life. So the second advice here for me is that you can take into entry your positions in a good prices. Just take into consideration that there are so many issues that can actually something can happen in stock market that you can take some more just put in your mind and push yourself to do some more efforts to understand a chart much better because it can be helpful for you. So a good experience is absolutely the first one that actually can have in your mind because right now there exists some frustration for people who actually do not enter the price at the correct timing, and you have a determination minding to open your price to get into a stock price at the correct time. Okay, so figure out where is exactly the good price because here the minding of this triangle is absolutely correct since that the triangle as you can see, just had these levels, break this level again, test this level. It's much important, it's correct, this is also correct. Okay, so and we have a very good build up. Okay, so my third advice, and this is the last one, is to keep in your mind that don't rush to get into prices. Just illustrate, just imagine what else can be happen in the stock price. Okay, and all of this you have to keep in your mind to take your last option, to take a last opinion about the stock market, and to get into at the correct timing. Thank you very much. Goodbye.